everyone, this is Carrie at the Waukee Public Library. For this week's Teen Maker Monday, we are going to make some stress balls, or rather relaxation balls, to help you manage your stress as finals are approaching soon. We know that you may have other stressful things as well, but that may be ramping up this time of year. So what you will need for this project is a balloon, a spoon, a funnel, and either flour or rice to put inside your stress ball. So what we'll do first is recommend stretching out your balloon, pulling it apart. You could even blow it up and let the air out if you would like. But either way, we're gonna do that. We're gonna open up our bag of flour. Okay, then you're gonna put the tip of your funnel into the balloon. Make sure that it is fully covered by the edge of the balloon there, so your flour doesn't leak all over the place. And you're gonna just slowly spoon some small scoops into there. You wanna make sure and use as wide a funnel as you possibly can. Just kind of jiggle it there till it all gets down inside the balloon. And we'll keep doing this until the balloon is full. You might be tempted to take bigger scoops and fill up your whole funnel, but especially if you are using flour, it might work a little better with rice. But especially if you are using flour, it will just be harder to shake it down into the balloon that way. So I recommend, even though it takes a little bit longer and feels a little tedious, to keep just using tiny scoops. All right, when it feels like your balloon is getting pretty full, make sure all your flour is tapped out of the funnel and carefully peel it off. And you're gonna wanna feel where the tip of the flour stops in there and tie it up. The little tail bothers you, you can cut it off on the other side of the knot. You might want to rinse off the outside if you were like me and got a little messy flour on the along the outside, but now it should feel nice and relaxing just to give it a squeeze anytime that you're stressed out, and fit nicely in your pocket or a backpack, as long as you don't poke a hole in it, and help you relax. Another thing that might help you relax is a guided meditation, and that is just something calming to listen to, a visualization exercise to imagine yourself like at the beach or in the woods, and it can be a nice help for some deep breathing. And if you'd like to listen to a few guided meditations, for the month of May, we will have those listed on our Dial a Story phone number, which is 515-981-7800. And if you call that number and listen to the prompts, you can choose from a few different guided meditations, and you can just call the number, set your phone next to you and listen, and take some deep breaths, or squeeze your relaxation or stress ball and go through the exercises, and hopefully that will help you relax. Have a great day.